Hi there, students. A primer. Okay, a primer can be a coat of paint applied to a raw surface before the main coat of paint. It primes the surface, it makes it ready for the next coat of paint. A primer, a product used to prepare the skin in the same way. So a woman puts on primer before she puts on the main makeup. It gives the makeup a base to adhere to properly. Or a primer can be a basic text for teaching a subject. So a primer, a book for children, a basic or introductory text to teach about a subject. So a preparatory coating on surfaces before painting, or a product applied to the skin before foundation to create a smooth base. And this is primer. Okay, a primer is anything to use to prepare. So let's see. Primer, a type of paint that's put on wood or metal before it's painted to help the paint stay on the surface. A primer, a book that contains basic instructions. It looks like the president needs to read a primer about national security. And then a book for teaching children how to read, containing basic facts about a school subject, a primer for primary school. To prime, to make ready. Let's see, this comes from medieval Latin, primarium, a prayer book. So yeah, a primer, an elementary textbook for teaching children to read, or a book that covers the basic elements of a subject. A primer, you can also use a primer for an explosion. It's something that sets off the explosion. It's used to detonate the main explosive charge. I think in the old days where they had flintlocks, they needed some primer to make the gun go off. Primer, an undercoat of paint, ready to making a surface ready to paint, so that the paint will stick to it later on. A primer. An introductory text. So a primer. It's best to use a coat of primer before you put on the top coat. I need to buy a primer for my walls before painting. Otherwise, it won't look nearly as good. Using a primer makes it all look much, much, much better. The teacher gave us a math primer to study over the weekend. She applied primer to her eyelids before putting on the eyeshadow. The book serves as a good primer for beginners learning a new language. The article provides a primer on the history of the conflict. The artist applied a layer of primer to the canvas before starting the painting. Okay, so a primer, a type of paint in order to prepare a surface. A primer, a book containing basic facts about a subject. I think this use is a bit old-fashioned. And an introductory text, such as a school book. So a primer. Formality. The primer, the paint. 5 in formality use anywhere. I think a primer as in a book or something like that, maybe 6.5. Frequency of use, primer. I don't think this is used very much nowadays except for the paint. I think the paint is the only use. So the paint I would give a medium frequency. The book or the introductory course, low frequency. So, primer. Bye for now.